Are you wondering if YouTube TV can get local channels? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV provides access to local programming. If you're looking for news, sports, or shows from your area, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does offer local channels in most markets across the U.S., including major networks like ABC, CBS, FOX, and NBC. These channels provide access to local news, weather, live sports, and popular primetime shows. However, availability depends on your location. YouTube TV doesn't support local channels in every city or region. To check which local channels are available in your area, visit YouTube TV's website and enter your zip code during sign-up. If your area isn't supported, you might consider using an over-the-air antenna to pick up local broadcasts for free. If this video helped you understand how to get local channels on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.